how to turn off pages you follow email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off pages you follow email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines into top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here go down until you find the pages you follow. Click on it and turn email off and go back. It will be saved, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.